How was your life as a youngster?
My style is a juvenile, ran with a gang, slanged in the meanwhile.
Hey yo, what's good, boys? We back here. Right now we're heading to New York City for a car meet. It's the last one of the winter, so...
Wait, JJ, can you do me a favor? Can you do me a favor? Never say that again.
Yo, I gotta put this camera down. I'm about to hit someone. Anyway, let's get there. They're about to shut down Times Square right now. Let's check it out. Let's check out the cars. Come on. Damn, we got the new Supra. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3. Damn, this R8 is sexy.
Come on, let's go. You said if you had a crowd, you would do it.
I'll go right now.
Keeper, make sure you get this on wax. You heard me, lad? You too, Skies. Get that on wax. Let's go. Hold the car. Yo, come here. Hold the car, man. Hold the car. Hey, so hold on, this is on the grab now. They said you don't got it. Graphic coming.
And this is where I fucked up.
Get the camera out! Yeah, I work with him here.
She's not gonna light up again, right?
Bro.
Turn it on?
Yeah, try to turn it on.
Yeah, turn it on.
I'll turn it off right away though.
We just want to see if it turns on.
Because if not, then you should call him a tow truck.
Word.
Yeah.
I can get you a tow truck.
You're good.
They want the video for what happened. We want to help.
Alright, so this is the next day. Basically what happened after that is we went to the car wash to wash all of the stuff off the car. It was able to drive home because nothing really happened to it. It was just a wire harness. It's happened to many other people with the same exhaust. As you can see, the car is perfectly fine. Nothing really happened except for a wire harness that I gotta fix, but that's no big deal. The flames usually come out of the tip of the exhaust, right? The person that made my exhaust, there's a clamp going right here. So the flames went up into the wires from here instead of out of the tip. So that's why in the video you saw the flames coming like right here in between the tires and stuff. Thank you to everyone that helped me. You guys were a big help. I really appreciate it. Here are all their IGs and stuff. Hit them up. I'm very thankful that no one's hurt. Fire was small and we got it out quick, or else it could have been a lot worse. So pretty much that's it. We'll see you guys in the next video.
We used to dream of. Bad bitch look like Mona Lisa. Flipping off a yacht in Ibiza.